Guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to today's channel on Cent Trading Seminar. Victor here. I'm really sorry, guys. I've not been making videos all this while. I've been busy and I've been testing out things, and literally I've been working on a new system which is trading off imbalances with the right setup. Definitely you should know it with the right setup. So imbalances, as you know, are liquidity points, liquidity zones on the market chart. They are like the gravity of the market, like they pull the market towards its direction. For the purpose of this video, I'm just here to explain CHOCH, the right way to use CHOCH, the best way to trade CHOCH, the best way to get a sniper entry on CHOCH on your chart. So basically, you should know that trading CHOCH is not just when you see a break of structure and another break of structure, taking off the highs and taking off the lows, then you should just call it CHOCH and you decide and jump on that trade. You should have other confluences. For instance, this particular trade I took, which gave me about 1 to 6.71 risk to reward ratio. You can see it here on the screen. I'll start from the daily time frame to make my analysis. Then you find out why I took that trade. On the daily time frame, we had right on that point where I took that trade. You can see right at the point where I took the trade. This is it here. We had a daily order block here. We had a daily order block here. You can see it. This is a daily order block. A daily order block was formed here, and on top of that, inside the daily order block, we had a bullish pin bar, a bullish pin bar, a bullish pin bar, which confirms what? Which confirms what? The market is about to retrace. You know, these are all retracement candles, bullish pin bar, engulfing candlestick, and all of that. These are all candles that change direction. And when you find these candles at a right point, at the right point in the right zone, then they tend to manifest their effects. On this daily order block, we had a bullish pin bar, even though it closed with a bearish look, but it's also a bullish pin bar because of the rejection down there inside the order block. So on top of that, bringing it down to 4 hours time frame here, you can see the effects also still inside the still inside the daily order block. You can see that here. If you try to refine that order block, trying to refine that order block, would have gotten something like this. If I try to refine that order block, would have gotten something about this way or thereabout. Just for reference purposes though, so everything might not be perfect on this. So if you try to refine it any foul, I've gotten something like this or smaller than that. I'm just for reference purposes. That's what I'm doing here. I'm not trying to make things perfect or so. So this would have been another block on a 4 hour time frame, which you can see also that there's a break of structure inside the 4 hour time frame. But all this will give us a high risk to reward, and that is um, where confirmation trading comes in. CHOCH helps us in confirmation trading also. If you have if you're a risk trader, you would have taken this trade from here all the way from this point, all the way from this point here. If you're a risk trader, you would have taken the trade all the way from here. It's still fine, but to be on the safer side and to save your capital and to keep your psychology normal while you're trading, because psychology is everything. Psychology is key. Not just about entering the trade, but having that psychology to hold that trade a little bit longer until you hit your TP or until you hit your stop loss, or until you see what you watch it play out, you grab. So psychology is everything. Entering a trade at the confirmation point, like a confirmation entry, keeps you and places you on a stable psychology level. It gives you a good trade psychology level. You grab. So that's why as a break of structure of this 4 hours time frame, of this 4 hours order block, you can see down there a break of structure here. You can see it here, a break of structure here to take out the lows, to take out the previous lows, the break of structure happened here. Look at it here, a break of structure happened here to take out the previous what? The previous lows. This is the previous low here, the previous low, that is this candlestick here. Then it's been taken out, and this is the candle that took it out. This red bearish candle took it out. So breaking that structure to the downside, that's taking off the low, and now again you can see it taking off the what? The high. This is another high. It took off the highs of this again. You can see it took off the highs. So we already have what? A break of structure to the downside that taking away, it took off the lows and also took off the highs, which confirms this as CHOCH. Some people will just look at this first break of structure and name it CHOCH. It's not that way. A CHOCH is the confirmation of first break of structure. Like if it's a bullish CHOCH, the lows have to be taken out, then the highs have to be taken out, then we have a little bit of reversal, then boom. But if it's a bearish CHOCH, then we have the highs taken out, then the lows taken out, we have a reversal, and boom, that's how it is. You grab. So on this particular one, we had the low taken out and then the highs taken out. You scroll down to the 15-minute time frame. You watch out. Everything play out right. Zoom in. Sorry for it. So this is on a 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute time frame, watch this: break of structure to the downside and break of structure to the upside, which gave us what? CHOCH. And that is how we were able to get this entry. After the break of structure, we had a what? An unmitigated order block here. Unmitigated order block here at this zone. Unmitigated order block here, and that is how we got our entry. Remember, we've broken structure to the downside and upside, and CHOCH shows reversal on trends. If you're on an uptrend and you spot a CHOCH at a very delicate zone, it's definitely signifying a change in direction. Then that means market is trying to go back downwards. Now you see this market has been on a downtrend for some time. Now getting to this 4 hours order block, we had the CHOCH and boom to the upside. Also, I was able to catch this trade and giving myself a small risk to reward ratio. So how another thing that another thing that gave me courage to take the trade, another confluence I looked out for was my imbalances. You can see it there. I marked it up here. You can see my imbalance being marked here. These are my imbalances. These are also imbalances. This place. You can see the imbalance I marked here. These are imbalances. These are imbalances. These are imbalances. So all these are zones of liquidity. The whole of these areas are zones of liquidity. Markets need to grab these liquidity. This is another confluence I used to take this trade, brothers. This is another confluence I used to take this trade, friends. So that was how I caught this. Upon the CHOCH being formed on a 4 hours order block, on a daily time frame order block, which was refined down to 4 hours, we got a CHOCH on it. Then trying to grab liquidity on the imbalances to the upside. That was how I call this trade. And as you can see now, again, currently we having imbalances here. We are having imbalances here. These are imbalances. Uh, Imbalance from here down to this point. So market need to grab this liquidity. That is why you can see the market is trying to what? pull downwards. It's trying to grab all of this, even though it might not grab everything, but at least a bit of 50% to 64%, it should grab it. So I'll do if you like to see an in-depth video on imbalances and how to trade imbalances, please leave your comment section below and I will trade it and I will make the videos for you. But specifically for this video, we are just here to learn what CHOCH, which I've explained. CHOCH what need to take out the low and the high, then you find a reversal and you spot a reversal or an unmitigated order block, take your trade with other confluences in place. Like I made mine, my own confluence was the daily time frame order block, which was refined down to 4 hours, then the imbalances which signifies liquidity which I need to grab also. So these are my confluences. You can also take this trade and see how it works. Just study this chart and study how it is, and then you can be able to relate it down to your own personal chart. If you have any problem, if you have any confusion, you have any question on this video, drop your comment section below. And if you are a returning subscriber, please like and subscribe this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching again. If you're a new subscriber, please like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so when I drop also videos like this also, you will be notified and signified. Please share this content to your friends, share the video, and if you don't forget, if you need also the video on imbalances, drop a comment section below. If I get up to 100 comments, up to 5 to 100, 50 to 100 comments, I will make this video. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.